Good morning students, this is your science class and today we will be going through chapter 5 soil. So in this chapter you are going to learn about formation of soil, composition of soil, types of soil, soil profile, soil erosion and soil conservation. And today I am going to talk about these three: formation of soil, composition of soil and types of soil. मिट्टी कैसे बनती है, मिट्टी में क्या क्या है और कितने तरह के फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉइल कैसे बनता है, सॉइल या मिट्टी कैसे बनी थी. So thousands of years back, there were huge rocks on Earth's surface. जो rock थे उनमें cracks, there were cracks on these rocks and water used to seep into these rocks. Over time, the rocks used to break down into smaller particles or fine powder. This process we call it as weathering. Okay, big pieces of rock are broken down by wind and water into smaller pieces till we get a fine powder. So this process is known as weathering. Now, so in this picture also you can see, with the help of the tree roots actually they seep into the rocks, and over time when the roots start to grow, the rocks they start to break down. Next is whenever the fine particle known as sand mixes with remains of dead plants and animals and minerals, they form soil. So the sand whenever mixes with the remains of dead plants and animals, what happens when the remains of dead plants and animals they decay, they form humus. We call it as humus. Okay, and minerals together, water and air, they form soil. Soil is very important for life on earth. Soil जो है वो बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. Plants grow in soil. Soil में ही plants they grow. They produce food and give out oxygen. Plants give us oxygen. So animals and humans, we need oxygen to stay alive. So that is why soil is very important for life on earth. Now soil is also home to many insects and animals. Okay. Now coming to composition of soil. Soil is made of different types of soil particles. Soil में क्या है, different types of soil particles. कुछ बड़े हैं soil particles, कुछ छोटे हैं, कुछ बहुत छोटे हैं. So according to this we are going to divide them. Sand जो है, in sand they have the largest soil particles. Sand you find near beaches. Now sand has the largest soil particle. Next is silt. ये river bed के पास में देखी जाती हैं. And if you see here, this is whenever you walk on silt, you leave behind your footprints like this. This is silt. Now the particles of silt, they are smaller than sand particles, but they are larger than the clay के particles. Okay, what is clay? Now clay, these are the smallest soil particles. इनके सबसे छोटे दाने, छोटे छोटे particles होते हैं. So clay, with the help of clay we make pottery. If you see this here, so in this I've told you about sand, largest soil particle. Silt का है, silt is smaller than sand particles but larger than clay particles, and clay is the smallest soil particle. Okay, इसके अलावा क्या क्या है soil में, composition of soil में these three are there. Other than these, stones are there, pebbles are there, minerals होते हैं जैसे कि iron, calcium, potassium, and even humus is there. I've told you about humus also. Now soil, they also contain some amount of air and water. So these all together they make the composition of soil, or this is how soil is formed. Now coming to types of soil. There are mainly three types of soil, depending upon the amount of different soil particles present in them. किस तरह के soil particles are present in those soil, it depends on that कि which type of soil is it. So there are three types: sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. So sandy soil में कौन से particles होंगे? It will have more of sand particles. So greater proportion of sand particles. It feels rough and gritty. So sand particles क्या होते हैं? They are larger, so they are rough and gritty. They are non-sticky. अगर you pour water into sand, it will not stick to your hands, है ना? It does not hold much water. They don't hold water. The water drains through the sand particles. ठीक है? This is sandy soil. Next, we are going to learn about clay soil. What do you mean by clay soil? I told you, so what will be the particles in clay soil? It will have more of clay particles. How are the clay particles? They are the smallest. Now, clayey soil feels smooth when dry. So, I told you that clayey soils, we make potteries with the help of clay soil. When dry, the soil is very smooth and they are lumpy and sticky. If you see, वो देखो ये हाथों में चिपक जाते हैं, है ना? They are sticky when wet. Now, the last one is loamy soil. What do you mean by loamy soil? It has same amount of sand, silt and clay. इसमें तीनों एक समान होंगे. जैसे sand, silt और clay, तीनों का amount जो है it will be same in the loamy soil. Loamy soil is best for growing plants. सबसे अच्छा है loamy soil plants के लिए. इस soil में we have a lot of nutrients and humus is also present in this soil. Okay, and they allow the water to pass through easily. अगर clay होगा तो the water will not pass through. But because we have mixed sand and clay and silt together, what will happen? The water will be passing through very easily. And whatever water is required by the plant will get that water also. So loamy soil is the best for the plants. Now that's it for today. Thank you so much.